Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to differentiate original oriamo cable. If you watched my previous video, I talked about how you can identify original oriamo earphone. I left a lot of details, especially how you can recognize it from the packets and so on. But today I'll be talking about how you can recognize this cable, original cable. Alright, so from the color combination of these two packets, you will know that this is fake and this is original. Alright, I don't want to go back into details on how to look at the packets and all those things. If you've not watched my previous video on the earphone, please go back. I took time to differentiate that. But I want to show you one unique thing about original oriamo cable. Alright, now you see, now if you look at the texture of the cable, look at the texture of the cable, you see that the texture of this cable, this is the original one, is different from this other one here, which is the ordinary one. Although they have the same, there's a branding oriamo, but it's not original. Okay, now looking at the texture, you will discover that this one here, the body, the original cable, the original oriamo cable, the body looks rough. Okay, the body looks rough. The body of the cable looks rough, like kind of rough, kind of. You can see very well. See the way the body is. Why the fake cable, the body is plain. However, there are fake cables that the body still looks rough like this, but they are not original oriamo, but you still print oriamo. Now, how to differentiate, how to know that the cable that you're actually buying is original and it's not copy is when you click original oriamo cable, if you turn to the side, you will see a number. You see, I don't know if you can see that number there. There's a printable number here. Alright, so there's a number here, okay, at the edge of the cable, there's a printable number here. But if you look at the fake one, you will not see any number, right? So, beyond the color combination and all this, because there's a lot of products in the market that looks like this, but they are not actually what it is. So beyond the texture and everything, so once you want to buy your original oriamo cable, and you know I've talked to you about this sticker before. If you can go back to my previous video, you will see the sticker, how to recognize the sticker, from the sticker how to know the original cable that is scratchable. This one that is scratchable, while the other one was printable. Alright, so now once you just pick your cable, just turn it, check if it has number there,